Good day everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your profile view history in TikTok. What does that mean? It basically means that you can see who viewed your profile. And how to do that? It's very simple, so let's just jump in it. First open up your TikTok and then you might want to head out to your profile. And once you're in your profile, you won't be going to the settings, but you will be going right next to the settings. There's a little eye left to the settings. Click on it. And here you can see profile views. What will this do when you turn it on? Well, you can see who viewed your profile, but also others people can see as well when you view their profile in the past 30 days. Only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown. So not everyone will be shown that view your profile. So if somebody doesn't have this turned on, you won't see that they viewed your profile. And if you don't want to have this anymore, you can always turn it off. So basically it goes both ways. People who have this turned on can see who viewed their profile, but others can see as well if they viewed their profile. That's pretty much it. Hope this helped. See you next time and have a nice day.